When you've finished editing your document, click on the drop-down next to the Done button and select Email. You will be redirected to the Email Settings page. On the right side of the screen, you can view a preview of the document or select specific document pages for sending and exclude any unnecessary ones. In the Add Recipients section, indicate recipient email addresses or choose them from your address book. Tick Send me a copy if you want to receive a copy of the document. In the Documents you are sending via email section, click Add another document to attach more documents. In the Select Format section, choose a document format. PDF Filler supports PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and image formats. In the Personalize Your Message section, customize a welcome message for your document or use one of the 3 templates: casual, formal, and informal. If needed, change the subject and body of the message and attach a business card with your contact information. In the next section, you can set notifications for when your document is open. Finally, protect your document with a password to prevent it from unauthorized access. This option is only available for PDF files.